125.
Finish off early today at around 9 o'clock as we now set out here. Yesterday, Sangeeta had a long day in the commentator's box because the pole vault went on for a couple of hours, and that was the men's decathlon, the pole vault. We're now at the early start here of the women's 10,000 meters. It's going to be 25 laps, so it's going to be a long journey for these women in the 10,000 meters. The favorite, needless to say, will be Priyanka Goswami, Aarti, Mansi Negi, the experienced girls. But currently, whom do we have in the lead, Sangeeta? In the lead is Ravina from Haryana. So she is the leader right now, but all the 15 of the walkers, the race walkers, bunched together with a small break with 3 of them at the back of the pack. They're all walking as if they are on a morning walk. I keep on saying that it's so good now all over the world to see walking as a regular habit. Just outside the stadium, we've had the young and the old. And what was very interesting is that the road gets closed, cars are not allowed, any vehicular traffic is not allowed. And the old and the young all walk around the Birsa Munda Stadium. And here we have the women who have just completed 1 lap of the stadium. The 10 kilometers walk is defined as an event which is held outside the stadium, whereas the 10,000 meters walk is held on the track in the inside of the stadium. The race walk, which has now become popular as a part of the Athletic Federation of India calendar, being held at the Sukna Lake in Chandigarh every year. It's a fabulous sight there. The Sukna Lake on one side, the Shivalik range of mountains on the other, which lead you to Simla and some of the other holiday locations. And that race walk is on a walking footpath where normally every day, every morning and evening, the locals in Chandigarh come for a walk. So that's where the national race walk is held. Ravina still the leader, but as I said, this is just the early part of the women's 10,000 meters.
And in the second.
And 20 laps to go, a little under 20 laps now. Race walking held both on the running tracks and the open roads, with distances ranging from 1500 meters up to 50 kilometers. That's how long race walking can be. The standard Olympic events are the men's and the women's 20-kilometer race walk and a marathon distance mixed relay now. At the far side.
And here it is Ravina of Haryana in the lead. The next lead, Reshma Patel of All India Police.
Provides the cardiovascular endurance of long distance.
Ravina of Haryana, followed by Reshma, then Priyanka. In 10,000 meters race walk women final.
The race walking is a foot race, as you can watch there. It's a foot race, different from running, in that 1 foot, as I mentioned earlier, and the reason why I'm doing that, college, you can always stand on the footpath or the foot pavements and watch the walkers, the men and the women.
We have Reshma Patel of All India Police, then Ravina of Haryana, and Priyanka Goswami 644 of Uttar Pradesh.
Well, currently she is lying in the fourth position, Priyanka Goswami, the India International. In fact, lying in the fifth position, is she? Number 4 is 1 lap behind, is she, or she's still with the group? She's still with the group.
She is still with the group, Munita Prajapati of Uttar Pradesh.
So Priyanka Goswami in the fourth place as of now. There's a distance now being opened up between 1, 2, 3, 4 and Goswami 5. Sixteen laps to go after this one, or now, correction. The marathon race walk, as we all know, the mixed relay was debuted at the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris. So that's the first time that we saw the marathon race walk, the mixed relay. And the 50-kilometer race walk for men only was actually discontinued after the 2020 Olympic Games in Tokyo.
And up to 15 laps, the leaders are 215 Ravina, 125 Reshma Patel, 644 Priyanka Goswami, and 649 is Munita Prajapati.
The qualification, what does it mean?
44,
What does it
29,
mean?
57, and we have to wait for the official timing. Qualification mark for Commonwealth Games is 44 minutes 44.58 seconds.
So 44:29.57, and what is wanted is 44:44.58. So we will wait, as Sangeeta says, for the official confirmation, and if that is true, then Ravina would be the first walker to qualify for the Commonwealth Games.
And here is the second leader, Reshma Patel of All India Police. And the third one is going to finish the race, Munita Prajapati of Uttar Pradesh. 215 Ravina, 125 is Reshma, and Munita Prajapati representing Uttar Pradesh. And it is Priyanka in the fourth place, Priyanka Goswami of Uttar Pradesh.